sport, I guess Polash. I'm not sure about it.
Because obviously they are not even announcing the points. Therefore, badminton is really fucked up. Everything is fucked up. You're
Yeah.
talking about the sports. Right. Then I did my diploma in sports journalism. I worked in Indian sports, but I mean I like football, badminton. I don't like cricket.
Okay.
I was writing about the articles. It was not getting much viewership. The required ratio. So I switched to European sports, MMA, and boxing. Then
You are basically from Tripura, no?
I can speak Bengali also.
No, it's not this.
But I am more comfortable speaking in
It's good.
Yeah, I mean, in badminton, if you are talking about the national level, the viewership is there in the articles.
But from Tripura, you won't get that
If
much
you are
of
talking
views.
about the regional level or the state level, the viewership is very less.
Yeah. Because maximum of them doesn't know about Northeast only.
Not just Northeast. If I write some article about the badminton association, badminton tournament that's being held in Mumbai or in Bangalore, even that won't get much viewership. But
Badminton is not that much popular, I guess.
But if you are talking about the international tournament, Singapore Open, China Beijing Open, all this, they get the viewership because it's the international leadership. But if you are talking about national level, no viewership. European sports, Europeans like all the sports, rugby, MMA, badminton, football, so obviously. But no cricket. Europeans don't like cricket. Except for the...
But in India, if you write about cricket, you get too much of this.
I wrote about Manishankar Murase. Lots of viewership. He was an
He's popular actually.
He's not even a national player,
Yeah. He's
but the
popular in
viewership
Tripura,
is there. RCC, no bro, still I'm not a good player.
You won't be getting anything like from RCC.
I'm not a good player.
Many of
That's why
the
I'm
players doesn't know that in RCC you can play also in badminton. There's a thing.
I want to play, but the thing is, I'm not good. So
It's okay, you can come. How many days you will be? Like 1-2 months. Then you can come and join RCC. You can come and play. There are 3 courses.
But
You can easily come.
I think they are free only after 7 p.m.
Up 6:30.
6:30.
Yeah, 6:30.
They are
From 6:30 to 9 you can play every day.
played in Delhi.
Good.
A lot of good
Yeah.
private courts.
Okay.
Very well maintained. Very well maintained.
It will be expensive too, no?
600 to 700 per hour.
Per hour. Then like if by paying 800 you can play the whole month here. So you have to consider something or the other in your life.
I want to write about it, okay, but the thing is, even if I write, I will not reach the target. So what's the point? My energy and research will be all wasted. What I do is I wake up in the morning, European time. I watch the sports, then I write. बस हो गया वर्क फ्रॉम होम करते करते हो गया। वही है कि इंडिया इज अ होल इंडिया इज अ होल इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्पोर्ट except for cricket don't expect anything in the other sports even hockey hockey I think somehow it's getting popular
But cricket is very much popular in India.
yeah I think even Tripura players even a bad team like Tripura they get paid around 1 lakh rupees per match in
Is
test
it?
match yeah test match when they're playing Ranji Trophy
Yes.
they get paid 1 lakh as their match fees per match even a bad team like Tripura man. So think about Mumbai Karnataka
Yeah,
how
they
much
will
they'll be
be,
getting
yeah, they will be getting more.
yeah.
This is business.
Politics, I guess. Power struggle. Politics and power. UPSC.
Yeah.
Wow.
I have cleared prelims. Now I will be sitting for mains.
Main. Which UPSC?
For my
Fine. Group B, right? Group C.
Group C, Group B both.
I think when was the prelim held?
Prelims was held March, 26 March.
I think by this year they'll wrap up the
November to like they will be conducting the mains by November 7th.
by next year you might if you clear all the rounds by next year you can
By
expect
next year I can expect.
all the best bro.
Thank you, bro.
I'm yet to sit for any TPS exam.
Achha.
And actually,
You want to see for TPSC? It will be a golden opportunity for you guys because like don't mind like but you guys have like reservation. No, reservation also there, but you guys have lots of course opportunity.
yeah, I
Like-
don't mind. If I have the opportunity,
Yeah, definitely.
that's
Yeah,
fair.
yeah. You should.
I should not. If government is providing me
Yeah,
the,
definitely you should opt in.
if the government is providing me the opportunity, then it's
Why you shouldn't do
I
it?
should be grabbing it. Right? I should be grabbing it.
Definitely.
You should not. I mean, people say.
No, I'm not like I am favor of reservation.
I mean, yeah, if you're talking about the history, then
Yeah, definitely. We have struggled a lot. I myself I will say.
if you're talking about the reservation, then obviously if you're talking about history,
Yeah.
untouchability,
Definitely,
all the things.
See, in Tripura there is we don't see that much of like untouchabilities and all those titles in Tripura. But still, if you go in Madhya Pradesh, like Bihar, like there are lots of like these
UP,
things.
UP,
Yeah, UP.
the Mario streets.
Yeah.
But yeah, in Tripura, it's there amount of Bengal is there. You know, I think.
Not that much.
Not that much, but it's still
But
evident.
it's
It's still
still-
evident. Because I know my friends, people who are from the
Dwarka, Acha, हाँ.
so they will obviously they will not go for the marriage with the
Probably it can be there.
वो होता है अभी भी it's evident
Yeah,
it's seen
there,
it's
it's there,
seen
it's there. Like I have a friend, like from her family also, like this type of issues are arising for her marriage. She's Brahmin, upper caste.
yeah
But she had a boyfriend, like he
the
from the I don't know, actually that lower caste. So her parents is agreed.
I think honestly it's how do I say upper caste lower caste it is gone that should be the first step.
But I don't think reservation only operates so easily because like if reservation is gone, then they won't be able to play the politics. No? The politics because around reservation and Mandir Masjid. There can be two
Same
things.
goes for upper caste lower caste.
Can't do anything. We can change the society alone, right? But we can take a step.
Since you have prepared, you are preparing for TPC. I mean, you are preparing for TPC. You know, I think, even if you have ever been to a metro, not even if you have ever been to a Southeast Asian city, let's just say, let's say Thailand or Singapore, you
I
will,
have not been there.
I mean, even if you see in YouTube, you will see the difference between India and the other small
Culture,
countries, small
culture.
countries, small
Are
countries.
you talking about culture?
not the culture, the developmental factor.
But yeah, definitely.
In Tripura, in India, we feel like having a good work, that's a luxury. There it's a necessity. If you don't work, people will vote you out. But there's not. In India, we think having a water tap and even having basic necessities like having a AMC, dustbin, having a dustbin, cleaning up daily, they think, oh, it's very cool. We are developed. I mean,
Actually, the mentality,
mindset.
yeah, mindset.
That's not broad
They have
enough.
been brought
Yeah, right.
Deep down in the finance.
Even basic necessities feel like a luxury industry. तो आप अगर पीकेसी ऑफिसर बनोगे तो आपके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर होगा. You can also, even if you want to do
I
things,
can't
you
do
can.
anything.
I understand. Ultimately, you'll be pressured into working according to the politicians.
See, I think in India, like there are so many good officers who want to do
Ultimately,
better.
they are
They are
pressured.
pressured.
जैसे भी Mumbai,
I've heard about that High Court वाला ना. I've heard about it.
when the High Court ordered him to check government canteen, so he started with High Court canteen.
I've
This
seen that.
IS guy.
Actually, in India, we need this type of officers.
Cool guy. We need to make them more popular.
Yeah.
Public can
Yeah.
outreach.
But I think in people of India, like they have too much of self-centered. They think about themselves only. Like they don't want to, like develop the society. They just think about only for them only. That's the only problem in India.
I think it is getting our voice.
It's okay, no problem.
They were all together living in harmony, but in recent past years, I think more differences slowly. More of an extremism thoughts started to pop out in the official mindset. It is very wrong.
This is due to the politics. Actually, the thing is that like Tripura people, I'm talking about Tripura, okay, is they are not too much open-minded. Like if you give them a topic of Mandir, like इधर पर religion आ जाता है. Like you give them like you go to church, you go to Bengal, तो इधर पर वो issue create कर देते हैं.
It's not even an issue, but great. They
Yeah,
politicize.
they put in your mind, na? They put in your mind. They will speak just this thing regularly.
You know how Delhi was not occupied by a single community. It's occupied by entire nation, people from entire nation. That's the reason it's getting developed. Same should be applied if you want to develop yourself and your state, then people should start working together, live in harmony. They should flourish, they should encourage each other. But यहाँ पे तो it's not.
नहीं होगा इधर तो ऐसा. इधर होना भी चाहेगा तो पॉलिटिक्स करने नहीं देगा. Because they want both sides.
I think it's over.
साढ़े
So you play every day.
Actually, I play badminton just for fitness. Nothing else.
I want to play football, but it's been quite long since I played any sport. It's been more than 6-7 months.
No, I'm regular in badminton.
And in Delhi, it's very expensive to play any sport. And you need people.
In Delhi also, Bangalore also, very much expensive. I felt that not they are there for Bangalore. Like they complain me about it. That I bought that I
Or if you want to play, you need people. अगर लोग नहीं होंगे तो obviously you will be able to afford it.
But as long as you're in Tripura, you can come and join us. You can come and play with us.
Yeah. When I was prepared for the government exams in Tripura, as well as the central government exam. But I'll do proper few more months and then I'll resign. उसके बाद now I'm doing work from home.
But still, you are working at definitely a pressure with you. You have to achieve your target.
इसलिए I don't write on Indian sports. I don't write on Indian sports. Very bad. Even some वो recently वो हुआ था ना Commonwealth.
हाँ.
Commonwealth में भी I wrote a lot about at least how the Indians boxing contingent, how the Indian boxing contingent did really well. I think they won six, all 10 of them, 10 boxers went, 10 of them they went to final. 6 gold, 4 silvers. So those are the greatest achievements for the boxers in India. वो लिखा था but no readers.
हाँ मुझे ना फाइनल्स कर लो हो जाए सिंगल्स
This is final set.
आइए
Second set.
स्टार्ट से देखो मुझे चिंता करो चिंता करो That guy is Polar. He plays very good.
But I think he's doing his coaching in badminton in Bangalore, I think.
Yes, I heard about it.
But still, he's not being able to match the pace of Tripura players. So. I think good legs.
Polar is good. He is very good. Only disadvantage is that he belongs to like poor family. The only drawback here.
Good is for a very resourceful family man. He's from a very humble family. Resourceful.
He has got resource, but he has not got resource. I think like I will I'll connect to him like for this one. क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ? No, not review. Like I want. और इसे क्या बोलते हैं? अरे I have a friend. Okay, he's from Goa. He's from Goa, accountant. So he asked me that like if there is a good planning from from RCC. They have a scholarship and all.
But you have to go through different exams. Not exam sorry. आपकी क्योंकि मेरे को उसको खेलना पड़ेगा. Scholarship के लिए तो वो अकेला अप्लाई नहीं करेगा. नहीं वो अकेले से अप्लाई नहीं करेगा. People from different region. Because it's very hard.
I don't know, but he said he can do that personally.
And that's fine.
I'll talk to him today. I really want to help him. Yes. I think he took the t-shirt from him. No, he तो जमा किया.
Yeah, he does. I like football. I'll stick to football like this.
No, we don't play shuttle. We play the ladies series. That will cost around like 1200. You get a racket. That is a string.
I have racket. I have indoor shoes also.
Then you can come and definitely play. You don't have to pay the monthly 800 you pay.
But I don't think I can come and play every day. That's the reason. So I don't pay 100. So I want to go to TMC, the 50 rupees type.
You don't have to pay here. If you want to play, I'll talk to them. You don't have to pay.
No, that's fine. I don't even. Right now,
So if you want to play like this one, you can play free because they will be checking this one. According to my knowledge.
you play with so you'll be playing today's one.
Actually, I played with him, but they doesn't come here.
He's working currently.
Where?
He got job.
Where? Because you. Yes.
I mean, contractual job
Okay.
through software.
Okay. Asa software yeah.
Currently is working. He was supposed to come today, but since he was working day, so he couldn't.
I asked him to come and join RCC, but I don't know, like, why don't they come? They go to the ONGC board. Not good, cemented one.
His brother, I know him.
Who?
That guy who's sitting there.
Acha, Muku's brother.
Brother must just
Oh, Rahul.
there, right?
Yeah. Who are Muku's brother?
No. I mean, I saw him when I played with him he did not start yet. He was still learning in I think
Acha.
he was in 2021 or 2022.
You
I was
remember
there.
Muku's?
Yeah.
Acha.
I mean, I met him first that time when I was in college. अभी पता चल गया था कि this guy has potential. He was playing really good even when he was in school. Class 9 or class 10, I think. Potential है, but he lacks discipline.
Huh?
Lacks
Muku's right?
He lacks discipline.
Acha.
Potential.
No, you have to be very much disciplined. Like if you play with the sport.
He's not disciplined actually. He can be a great player, but he's not disciplined. So that's the only factor who's holding him back. But really, bro, like it's been really nice talking to you regarding the politics because we don't get open-minded people. Even though they are literate, but they're not.
They're not open.
It gets really hard for me to have a proper civil conversation. The conversation turns into a debate actually. So if you want to have a civil conversation,
So you have to be very open and you have to accept it, the acceptance.
you need to listen to each other. But most of the people
There is an argue with you.
argue. They will turn the conversation into. That's why I restrict myself from having an opinion. But since you started talking, I thought you'll be open-minded.
Yeah, I'm definitely
Ultimately, you
tired.
turned out to be a. And even TPS officers are close-minded.
No, I'm not like that. I think freely. I think about everyone.
Even there are some officers who are very racist. They have it's like they're from every
See,
country.
I feel like that as our 5 females are not equal. So
Yeah.
there are many people that now I'll be thinking, they might not think. And he might also not think. Nothing is better.
There might be a change in perspective.
Definitely. Your 6 can be 9 and
Yeah.
Mugurat.
Fifteen plus at a camera, 18 point.
last one. Very much exhausted. Yeah, I think they've been playing like for the last 30 minutes, I guess. The score is the 14-12.